Alright, now that you've got, you've dug down a little bit, you've got some resources and stuff, what we're going to work on now is above ground shelter. That's always nice so you're not a hermit stuck in the ground. You can actually build some pretty cool shelters. But to start off with, you've got a good bit of cobblestone from all that digging. So what you'll want to do, I don't feel like building a shovel right now, so I'm just going to do a basic layout of it. I'm not going to actually dig down, but we'll just start here. And I don't know. I mean, this is all up to you about how you build it, of course. But I just usually do a nice little square to start with. And you basically are going to just build yourself a frame of a house. One story probably is all you need right now. But you can make it more or whatever. You can add on to it later, of course. But the one thing I wanted to show you is something that's probably going to be pretty important is doors and glass. Let me head on over here. You're going to need to get a little bit of sand. Anywhere near the water should have it. I see some sand right here. And what you can do with the sand is you can smelt it into glass and actually make windows and stuff. So you want to get a good couple blocks of it if you want any like sort of outside view at all from the inside of your house. I usually gather maybe half a stack. You can also do glass panes, which I can show you those as well. But just gather up as much of this as you can, and I'll do a jump at it, and I'll go ahead and show you how to actually smelt it. Alright, as you guys can see here, I did finish this little structure during the jump cut. Like I said, it's pretty basic, but the first thing is I really want to show you here, now that we're back from the little edit, is one, smelting the sand. We'll go ahead and get that going here. It'll take a little bit, but what we can do with the sand is make glass, and then take the glass, you can make glass panes, which really, it functions almost the same as a glass block, but you can make a lot more glass panes, basically cheaper than using glass blocks. Okay, but while that's going, I'm going to show you guys real quick, just how to make a basic door. Just take some spruce wood planks, or any wood planks. I'm going to make two because I need to, and put them in this pattern. 2 by 6 or 3, and you get doors. I'm kind of anal retentive about where I put them, but one there, and then I'll put one going down into the mine area here. And as you see, you've got a place that'll basically be creeper free, so, which is always a nice thing in this. How many of these are done? 7. That should be enough to show you how to do it here. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys real quick. I built a basic structure here, and I did put in some windows, but I had a little bit of trouble with the editing, so I'm going to have to redo this one here. First off, we've got to make pane windows. You can use the glass blocks, but glass panes are a lot easier, and basically a lot less sand you're going to need to gather. But if you put the glass in a row of 3 and another row of 3, you can get 16 glass panes. And they install pretty much like a glass block, except for, as you can see here where I put some in, they don't quite take up a whole block, so, but they still stop things from coming in. Also, I wanted to show you real quick how to build some basic armor that you'll need, especially if you're going after out during the night and stuff like that, or go into the caverns and stuff. I already built a helmet. I'll show you that recipe here real quick. And it is basically 5 iron ingots in the shape of basically an N. But I want to show you guys how to build the other ones too here. Let me see here if I can remember all these correctly here. A boot is, I think, this. That's an iron door, excuse me. We'll go ahead and make the helm first. Go ahead and grab this. This is basically the chest armor here. You're going to need this, definitely. Let me see here. All right, and then excuse me, here. The boots, you'll do this. That'll make the boots, and I hope I have enough iron ore to make the gloves. Um, I'm actually a little short on the iron ingots to make the pants, but I'll show you guys. You do this, and then there'll be 2 more iron ingots here. I'll have to grab some more iron to show you that, but that's basic armor making, and also building your above ground little base bunker, safety area, whatever you want to call it. But as the further videos as we go, we're going to get into actual farming and animal farming, actually having animals that you can have for food, so you don't end up killing all the animals in your area, things like that. So, thanks for watching.